make, we taking dubs. Bake the cake, now make it up. Make it rain, I share the love. Great train, come say what's up. Stay poppin', the place hoppin'. And we got the place hoppin'. It ain't stopping. We be like, ooh. Sometimes it takes two. Never lacking anything we do. That's my crew. I got it, you got it, we got it. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, we're always so good, baby. Damn good. Y'all ever heard of producer freestyle? Hey, yeah. Super fly, super good, shoulda, coulda, knew I would. Super fly, super fresh. Ask your mama, she's impressed. Super high, super cool, super mean, super nice, super clean. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, we're always so good, baby.
Let's learn Superfly. It's choreographed by Babinec and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance. It has a tag on the end of walls 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And on wall 7, you'll end up doing it twice because it will include your ending. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and where it happens, and how to do the ending. And then we're going to go through and dance the entire dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Superfly. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a syncopated weave to the right. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. Step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to a sailor step, crossing your left behind your right. Step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the side and then step your right foot slightly forward to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a syncopated weave to the left. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. Quickly step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left. And as we cross our right behind our left, you're going to start a quarter sweep over your left shoulder. So we're going to cross that right foot behind our left, and you're going to start a quarter turn, sweeping your left from front to back, and then you'll finish it on the next count to face 12 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping to the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do 2/8 pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, and as you pivot over your left shoulder, you're going to roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, putting your weight back on your left foot. We're now going to repeat that step with your right, roll your hips counterclockwise from left to right, making that 8th turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock. Now, for that section, on those pivots, you can kind of have fun and add your own styling into it. So some choices that are on the step sheet that you can do is when you do those pivots, you can kind of do like a washing machine, or you can add knees. So when you do those pivots, you can go pivot, pivot, and kind of have your knees come in and out as you do them. It works well on a few of the walls where the music really calls for it, or you can add your own fun into it. That is up to you. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to do our rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 forward diagonal step touches. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do 4 quick diagonal back step touches or zigzag steps. So we're going to quickly step back with our right foot into the diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Quickly step your left foot back into the diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Quickly step your right foot back and touch your left next to your right. Quickly step your left foot back and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your diagonal touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your syncopated weave to the right. So it's side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor, sailor, quarter, turn, side, behind, cross, side, behind, quarter, sweep, coaster, step, rocking chair. Now it's your 2 pivot, 8 turns, diagonal step, touch right, and left, quick back, right, left, right, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. This dance does have 6 tags in it. The last wall, you will end up doing the tag twice, but the very last few counts of it will change so that we can end facing 12 o'clock. I'm going to face the front to show you what the tag looks like, but know that you will never do the tag to 12 o'clock. It's always going to be either the sides or the one time that we do it to the back wall. So weight will be on your left to start our tag. Section 1, we're going to do a quick step to the right and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to bump our hip left, right, and as we do that, we're going to put weight onto the side that we're bumping and pop the opposite knee. So when we bump to the left, you're going to have your weight go on your left and have that right knee slightly come up. Bump your hip to the right, putting your weight onto your right, and have your left knee slightly come up and hold. We're now going to do a quick step to the left and touch your right next to your left. We're going to bump our hip to the right, putting our weight onto our right, and have our left knee come forward. Bump your hip to the left, put your weight on your left, and have your right knee come forward and hold. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your quick step to the right. And 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 2, we're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right. We're now going to press our right foot to the right side, bending our knee and slightly leaning to the right. You're going to do a big step to the left and drag your right toe into your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. So now let's face the front and do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. And then we'll talk about where it happens within the dance, as well as how to make it change to do the ending. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your quick step to the right. So it's in, touch, bump, bump, hold, and touch, bump, bump, hold, V step, out, out, in, press, drag. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step to the right. And 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole tag. Now, the tag is going to happen the first time right away on the end of wall 1. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. So you'll dance all the way up for your step, touch, your quick backs. And then you're going to add on your tag, bump, bump. You'll then dance wall 2 and wall 3 all the way through. At the end of wall 3, you'll be facing 3 o'clock and you'll do that tag again. You'll then dance wall 4 and wall 5. On the end of wall 5, you'll do the tag again to the 9 o'clock wall. After that, you're going to do tags on the ends of every wall, and it will be the end of the dance. So you'll finish wall 5, do your tag. Wall 6, you will end and do the tag facing the back. It's the only time that we do it to the back wall. You'll then dance wall 7 and facing 3 o'clock, and you'll do the tag twice, but the second time we do it, we're going to change the last few counts. When you're dancing wall 6, it's going to sound slightly different than the rest of the song. That's going to be your cue that you're going to do the tag again to the back. The tag to the back, the music does sound slightly different, but it does still have the same beat that we hear in the other tags, but it does not have the lyrics associated with it. So you just want to make sure that you're paying attention to what wall 6 sounds like, and that will give your cue. But you can also remember when we come back to the front wall, you're going to do tags on the end of every wall all the way until the end of the song. The final time that we do the tag will be facing 3 o'clock. It will be the end of wall 7. You're going to dance the tag regular one time. So you'll do the full tag. So you'll do your and touch, bump, bump, hold, and touch, bump, bump, hold, V step, and your press slide. Then you are going to dance the tag just up to the V step. So you'll do your and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do a 3/4 walk around to the front. So we're going to turn over our right shoulder. If you think the V step ends with 4, you're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. On 3, you want to be at the 12 o'clock wall, weight split, and you're going to hold. You're then going to end the dance by posing however you would like. You can pose with your friends, you can pose by yourself, whatever makes you happy, that is how you're going to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance the entire dance so that you can practice where all of the tags happen. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our syncopated weave to the right. So you're going to go side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor, sailor, quarter turn. Side, behind, ball, cross, side, behind, quarter sweep. Coaster, step, rocking chair, and your 2 pivots. Now your diagonal touch, quick back, back touch, back touch, back touch, do your tag, and touch, bump, bump, hold, and touch, bump, bump, hold V step, out, out, and in. Press, drag, start over, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Syncopated weave, sailor, sailor, quarter turn, syncopated weave with your behind quarter sweep, and your coaster step, rocking chair, and your 2/8 pivots. Now your diagonal touches, and your quick back. Do your tag, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor, sailor, quarter turn, side, behind, ball, cross, side, behind, quarter sweep, coaster, step, rocking chair, and your 2/8 pivots. Now your diagonal touches forward, and then your 4 quick back, back touch, back touch, back touch, do your tag, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Do your tag and touch. Bump, bump, hold, and touch. Bump, bump, hold V step, out, out, and in. Press, drag. Side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor, sailor, quarter turn, side, behind, ball, cross, side, behind, quarter sweep, coaster, step, rocking chair, and your 2/8 pivots. Now your diagonal touches, quick back, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Do your tag twice, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, hold 8, V-step, 1, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, and do your pose however you want. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Supa Fly. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Super fly, super good, shoulda, coulda, knew